Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how a card can integrate it to map and table in Power BI. So what is card? So card is one of the visual tool in the Power BI that displays the data visually in appealing format. So we can use the card to display the data, one of the item in the data by using card. So there are number card is there, text card is there, and date card. We can use the card in three different formats. So at the same time, we can also customize the card. We can also customize each card to reflect their objectives and key results. We can also use more than one card in a single container. Okay, that means we can group the all the cards as per our requirement. So here we have data. This is data related to COVID-19 data in India. So during the first wave, so how many deaths are there? What is the in which date the first case is arrived? Total confirmed cases, deaths, new deaths, new recovered, and this data is contain around 4692. Okay, I am using this data into Power BI. I already loaded this data into Power BI. Now I use to build the visuals with your data. On the right side visualization, there are different charts and tools are there. You can see here card. This is the card visualization. It will display here. So see in the down you can see each card has some fields. Okay, this is my data. So here in this card I am trying to use the numerical data. Okay, suppose I want to know the sum of the deaths. I am adding this sum of deaths in the fields card. So what will happen, you can get a number. See here, there is 1 million deaths happened during first wave of the corona in India. It shows the number of deaths, sum of death 1 million. Okay, now I am taking one more card. So I am just drag this second card just beside the first card. So in this card I am taking total number of cases, total confirmed cases I am adding into the fields. So you will get number of cases. Okay, there are 53 million cases reported during first wave. Out of them, 1 million deaths were happened. Okay, this is the data about the coronavirus in India during first wave. Okay, see here, these two are different cards. It displays about the different data. Okay, now, suppose I want to increase the, I want to go to visuals, format your visuals. So here under category label, go to general. So here you can see visual border. Just click on. Now you can see border. So earlier we don't have this border. You can. Now I'm trying to create one more border for this second card. Go to general and go to effects. So here in the down you can see visual border. Okay, just it is by default off. You need to make it as a on. Now you can see these two cards I am using for this data. Now, so next question is I want to integrate this card data with map or table. First I will show map. So I am using map visualization tool. So here in the down you can see map. Okay. So in the location location, you can see in the location, I am dragging name of the state. Name of the state or union territory is one of the columns in the Excel sheet. So I am dragging this column into location. So I am using name of the state into location. Now you can see. Yeah. So here you can see the map is ready. It's all related to Indian map, Indian states. Okay. If you want to increase the bubble size, go to build visuals. In the bubbles, just increase the size. Now you can see. Okay. These are the different. If the bubble is size is more, that means number of deaths and number of cases are more in that state. Okay. I am trying to add the labels. Okay. I am trying to add category labels just by adding on. Now we can see different states. Different states are there. So these are first the data in the about two cards is all related to combined data. It is not particularly related to any particular state. It is related to total country, including union territories and states. Now, if I click on this state, suppose I am taking here Kerala. Okay, you can see it in the number. In Kerala, some of the deaths is 2,399 in first wave, and total number of cases are 597k. Okay, if you change the bubble to this one, Gujarat. So Gujarat is the first state where number of deaths were happened. 138k people were died during first wave, and 3 million cases are reported in the Gujarat state. Just by clicking the state, by clicking the region what you want to know, you can see the data related to that particular region in the above cards. So this is about the integration of the map with card data. Suppose I want to show, besides the map, we can also use table. By using table also, we can integrate with the card data. Okay. Now I am clicking the table here. In the table, you can see columns. Okay. First, I am taking state. So what happened? I am adding name of the state in the columns. So you can see all states here. Okay. You can see all states related to India. If you click on any particular state, see, just I clicked the Andhra Pradesh. See, it is showing 31k dead, 31,000 people were dead during first wave, and 3 million total confirmed cases in that Andhra state. If you go to Delhi, so here you can see 171k deaths and 6 million cases. Okay, if you go to Karnataka, another south state, 51k, 51,000 people died in the Karnataka because of coronavirus, and 3 million cases are reported. So this is how you need to use the card and integrate it with your map and table visualization tool in Power BI. I hope this video will help how to create a card to visualize your data and how to integrate card with other tools like map and table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.